Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to generate your background music using ElevenLabs new music generator. It is a simple way for you to create original tracks in a style that you like, which is perfect for videos, podcasts or intros. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on ElevenLabs.io. Over here, you need to log in into your account. Now here by default on the home page, the fourth option would be of music. So you need to simply click on this option. This is where the AI music generator designed for the full songs or the instrumental tracks. You can also get it by clicking on the music option in the left hand section. Now over here you need to describe the vibe that you are aiming for. For example, let's say you want to type this particular prompt over here, create a chill lofi instrumental with the soft piano, gentle rain sound, smooth bass and a relaxed beat for a study session. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in order to type the best prompt whichever you are thinking. Now click on the option of generate and choose the preferred duration over here. It can be 30 seconds or a minute. Then you need to select whether you want the instrumental only or a vocal track. So these options help shape the structure and focus of your music. So once the generation is successful, you will be able to see number of variations and you can click on the option of play button in order to play that particular music. If you want to make changes into it, you can type the prompt here again and click on the option of generate. If you like the song, you can click on the option of download here in the bottom right hand corner and you can download in the MP3 format and use it as your background music. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.